Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by legally minimizing metal on your person. Remove belts, watches, coins, keys, and phones now and place them in a tray. Doing this reduces routine alarms. Once done, empty all pockets and open bags so staff can see contents quickly. Make sure to inform the officer immediately if you have a medical implant or prosthesis so they can record it and plan screening accordingly. That transparency speeds processing and prevents unnecessary delays for you and others. Next, organize everything into clear, separate trays so X-ray images are easy to interpret. Place laptops and large electronics flat and small metal objects together. This helps technicians identify true threats versus benign items. If you rely on a medical device, tell the officer and present any paperwork so they can choose an appropriate method. Follow the officer's directions precisely during the walkthrough or pat-down. Moving suddenly or ignoring instruction is what actually causes delays and sometimes triggers additional checks. If the detector still sounds, cooperate with secondary screening options: a handheld wand, targeted pat-down, or a bag inspection. You should request a private screening for medical privacy or repeat false positives. Make sure to calmly ask for a supervisor if you believe the alarm is caused by faulty equipment or recurrent false positives. They can authorize recalibration or move you to a different machine. This approach resolves most issues while keeping the process lawful and respectful for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.